Hello, good morning children. Today I am going to teach next part. Means before lesson I thought Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik range. So from there we included so many mountains. So life of the mountains. Which state they are? Which states we can see in that life of the mountains? From there we can see the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, it is in our country, the capital of Srinagar and Jammu. Srinagar in summer season and Jammu is in winter season. The Jammu and Kashmir has two capital cities because all the states having only one capital, but the Jammu and Kashmir is having Srinagar and Jammu. Both the capital cities they are changing in the summer and winter because in the summer season, Srinagar. In the winter season, Jammu is full of ice, means snow falling there. That's why that whatever work is carry on this Jammu in the winter. So see, next which language they are using in the Jammu and Kashmir? Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri and Pahari. These languages, most of the people are spoken in that Jammu and Kashmir. Most of the work is what is in the winter season, mostly 3 or 4 months, there are rainfall, snow falling. That's why all the people are sitting inside the home. That's why they are doing some work indoor the home. So which work they are doing? See, they are doing the handicraft work, means haki banao. Some work they are doing. Which work they are doing? Wood paper machine and beds, silk woolen, carpet, shawls and work in the fields. They are working the fields and these all the designer things they are preparing at home. Woolen clothes, carpet, shawls, they all are famous for world famous things are these. And then there are two lakes are there. The famous two lakes are there. Vellore Lake and Dal Lake. These are the two famous lakes are there. When you are visiting the Jammu and Kashmir, that time you have to visit these lakes. So see, they are using the boats. The boats are called sikas and wooden boats. They are using, means whatever marketing things, means when you are buying the vegetables or fruits, you are buying from the boats only. In that boats only they are sailing in the lake. And then tourist places are there. Which is the main tourist place are there? Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Amarnath caves and Vaishnavi Devi temple. These are the most famous tourist places are there. So whenever the people who visit from the another state to state and another country, this because Jammu and Kashmir is famous for world tourist place. So understood children, Jammu and Kashmir what is the features they are having. And then next is what? Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital city is Simla. Simla is capital city. So there are so many hill stations. Which hill stations? Simla, Kullu, Dalhousie and Manali. So this is the coolest place in the summer season. That's why people who visit these hill stations, they are enjoying the beauty of that Himachal Pradesh. Mostly the farmers are growing. There are main occupation. Most of the people are occupied in farm work. So that's why the farmers are growing rice, maize, barley, fruits and vegetables. Rice means maize means makha, barley means shalu, fruits and vegetables. These are the main crops they are growing in the field, and then they are farming work with they are carrying animals rearing, means they are keeping some animals for their earning the money and daily duties there. So which animals they are keeping? Sheep and goats are main animals they are keeping for animals in the farmers in their that they are buying some these world famous things from the Himachal Pradesh. They are talking the language Punjabi, Pahari and Kunuri. So these language they are talking in that Himachal Pradesh. This their Himachal Pradesh the famous festival is Dussehra. They are celebrating Dussehra festival together. So see next part of the mountains range there Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital city is Dehradun. Dehradun is capital city of Uttarakhand. From the hill stations we can see that mostly northern mountains are famous for their natural beauty and hill stations. So there we can see the Garhwal, Kumar, Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikot. These are the famous hill stations. These all the famous hill stations are situated in Uttarakhand. So mostly occupation is what? Farming work is their occupation. So religious places are also the famous for religious places. Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. So these are the famous religious Hindus religious places are there. So next Sikkim. Sikkim also is coming northern state of our country. Their capital city is Gangtok. What is the capital city? Gangtok. They are divided into three tribes. Three tribes means what? Three types of peoples we can see in that Sikkim. There Lepcha, Bhutai and Nepali. Means Bhutani and Nepali and Lepcha. These different type of peoples we can see in this Sikkim. So they are men and women. Both are wearing the jewelry. But in our side in Maharashtra, they are wearing only ladies were wearing most of the jewelries. But in that Sikkim, they are wearing men and women together. They are wearing the jewelries like earrings, necklace, everything. So which jewelries they are using? They are using the gold and beads jewelries. So there we can see the deep river valleys in the Sikkim. This is Sikkim is and its beauty. What? These deep rivers. Next, West Bengal. West Bengal also is the northern mountain. They included in northern mountain. So Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. It is famous for tea gardens. Means this open area is there. From there only the teas are growing. Means heavy rain. Most of the area climate is very humid. That's why the tea gardens we can see in this Kolkata. So Darjeeling is the foothills of the Himalayas. That is comes in Himalaya range. That Darjeeling is the foothills means you can walk by, you can climb by foot. So see, these are the famous for West Bengal. From there we can see the northeastern states also. They are included in the life of the mountains. Means these are the states. What is the main occupation? What is the living style? All you understood. But northeastern states, what they are? Which states are there? Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. These are the northeast states. And what they are eating, what they are wearing, what is that living style? That I am explaining in this book. I said northeastern states. From there we can say see Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in this region. So what is the capital city? Itanga. Itanga is the capital city, and the population of this state less because people are less. Their population is less, and they live in houses stiled. Stilts means wooden houses. They protect themselves from the rain and snakes. So see, This is the style of Manipuri. Manipuri dance we can see in the TV. Yes or no? Manipuri is famous for Manipuri dance. Means the costume is different. Its capital is Imphal. Primary occupation is farming and weaving different type of things from the bamboo cane and leather and made of here. So they are using bamboo cane and leather things. And then Meghalaya. Meghalaya is here. Meghalaya is well known the receiving the heaviest rainfall in India. Shillong is the capital. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Capital city of Meghalaya. Famous hill station is Goro, Saki and Jainathia are the main tribes of the region. They are mainly farmers who grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane and pineapples and orange. They are growing orange, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples. These main crops they are growing in the Meghalaya. So see in this picture children, Mizoram. Mizoram is a small northeastern state. As well is the capital city of Mizoram. So peoples are called Mizos. Means Mizoram's peoples we call Mizos. Famously they are called Mizos. Most of the Mizos are literate. Means they all are educated. And famous bamboo dance is this state. They are holding, some persons are holding the bamboo in their hand and some people are dancing in that bamboo. I think you saw this bamboo dance. Next, this is a Nagaland. Nagaland persons. Here see peoples. Nagaland also has a number of tribes. Means different type of peoples we can see in this Nagaland. People of a different tribes wear shawls with different patterns. They are wearing shawls. Different patterns are there. And the designs also. And shawls help to identify the tribes to which they are belong. The capital city of Kohima. Nagaland capital city is Kohima. Most of the people are farmers. They grow rice, maize and bajri. Bajri means millets and orange. They are growing in the Nagaland. So these person you are recognizing, I think these are Nagaland, and bamboo dance is famous for Mizoram and this dance is famous for Manipur, and Meghalaya is famous for its hill station. And then see children, before I thought Sikkim's person they are wearing, man and woman both are wearing the ornaments. Understood children this? Thank you.